Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to manage contacts in DocuSign. This is incredibly useful if you frequently send documents to the same people and want to keep all their information organized in one place. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to DocuSign.com. Once the page loads, sign in with your credentials. After you've logged in, you'll land on your DocuSign dashboard, where all your document management happens. Now, look to the upper right corner of your screen, where you'll find your profile icon. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select My Preferences. This section is where you can customize various settings related to your account, including how you manage your contacts. Once you're in My Preferences, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll see several options listed. Click on Contacts to access your contact management area. This is the hub where all your saved contacts live, making it easy to find and manage the people you work with regularly. You'll now see your entire contact list displayed in your address book. This list shows everyone you've added, giving you a quick overview of your network within DocuSign. If you need to view more detailed information about a specific contact, navigate to their name in the list. Next to their name, you'll notice a down arrow. Click on this arrow and select View from the options that appear. When you click View, all the contact details for that person will be displayed on your screen. This includes their name, email, company information, and any phone numbers you've saved. If you need to make changes to any of this information, simply click Edit. This opens up the contact details in an editable format. From here, you can add their company name if it wasn't included before. You can also add their phone number by clicking Add Phone Number. Type in the number and then click Save to store this information. These details help you keep comprehensive records of everyone you interact with through DocuSign. If you want to add a completely new contact, look to the right panel where you'll find the Add Contact button. Click on it and a form will appear. Type in the person's full name, their email address, and their company. If you have it, you can also add their phone number at this stage. Once all the information is entered, click Save to add them to your address book. Now navigate to the Directory tab located right beside Address Book at the top of the page. This section shows all your contacts in a different view. If you want to view details about anyone listed here, simply navigate to their name and click View right beside it. This gives you quick access to their information without having to go through multiple steps. And that's it. You now know how to efficiently manage your contacts in DocuSign, whether you're adding new people, editing existing information, or simply viewing contact details. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.